Okay, this lesson is on fractions. So when you deal with fractions, one of the best tools there is to get rid of the fractions before you do anything else. To do this, you divide the top of the fraction by the bottom of the fraction. For example, if your fraction is 1 over 2, you'll put 1 in your calculator, hit the division symbol, and then hit the equal symbol. Your calculator should return the answer 0.5. So in many textbooks, the word ratio is used interchangeably with the word fraction. However, the two terms do not mean the same thing. A fraction represents a part out of the whole. For instance, one piece of pie out of 4 pieces of pie would be represented by 1/4, or 1 over 4. However, a ratio is just a comparison of the two quantities. Many times it is written with the fraction bar, but it can also be written with a ... separating the two quantities. With a ratio, it doesn't matter which quantity comes first. So, for example, if a medication contains 100 milligrams in each tablet, it can be expressed in any of the following ways. You have 100 milligrams over one tablet to 100 milligrams using the ... Okay, one tablet over 100 milligrams, 100 milligrams ... one tablet. So these are examples of ratios. You can write a ratio to express each of the following. So if the example problem said a cough syrup contains 2 milligrams of drug in each 5 ml of syrup, you can do 2 milligrams over 5 ml, or you can write 5 ml over 2 milligrams, or 5 ml to 2 milligrams, or 2 milligrams ... 5 ml. Those are 4 ways that you can write a ratio. Okay, 75 tablets contains 3 milligrams of drug. So you can also write it 75 tablets over 3 milligrams, or 3 milligrams to 75 tabs, or 75 tabs to 3 milligrams. All right, and these problems that we just went over are exactly similar to your questions on week 1's assignment. So in each 5 ml of ferrous sulfate elixir, there is 220 milligrams of ferrous sulfate. So when you see this and they say write as a ratio, you can write 220 milligrams over 5 ml, or 5 ml over 220 milligrams, or 220 milligrams to 5 ml, or 5 ml to 20 milligrams. All right. Another example, an ophthalmic solution contains 1 milligram of dexamethasone per milliliter of solution. So you can write this 1 milligram per 1 ml, or 1 milliliter per 1 milligram, or 1 milligram to 1 ml, or 1 ml to 1 milligram. And these are example problems as well. So each tablet contains 325 milligrams of medication. You have 325 milligrams per 1 tablet. That's how that can be read. You also have 250 milligrams are contained in each capsule. So that can be read 250 milligrams per capsule, and you can write them. You should practice these and write them, in ratio form. And these are examples of how they would look on a prescription. So, actual prescription bottle. So you have fluoxetine oral solution, USP, 20 milligrams per 5 ml. So that means the patient's getting 20 milligrams of medication per 5 ml. And propoxyphene naphthalate and acetaminophen, 100 milligram per 650 milligrams. Okay?